All right, so this is our belt squat machine. Before you sit up, you have to find the appropriate height for your belt. So you have these loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 loops here. The shorter you are, the higher up and closer to the belt you're gonna be. If you're a tall person, you're gonna be using the ones that go farther down. Make sure you match the same loops on both sides. So if you're on the middle loop, make sure you attach the middle loop here as well. For me, I'm right here in the middle loop. I'm gonna bring them together. You'll take your clip, you're gonna twist, then pull back, slide it in both of your loops, and let go. Once you're locked in, you can go ahead and stand up, stand inside the belt, grab a hold of the belt, bring it up to your hips. I always put my feet underneath the platform, get my belt in the proper position. Once it is, so as soon as I stand up on this platform, I'm gonna be elevated. So it's gonna put tension here on the cable. I recommend going ahead and placing your hand on each one of these posts. Bring one leg up at a time, bring the next leg up, stay in the squat position. Once you're in position, then stand up straight. Now there's tension is sitting on my hips. To perform the exercise, go ahead and grab the bars here, pull this towards you, pick any grip that's comfortable for you. There's no right or wrong grip. Once you have your grip, you're gonna hinge at the hip just like a squat and squat down. Your hands are here, so if you need help pulling yourself up, go ahead and do that. Squat back down and stand back up. Now to re-rack the weight, make sure to push this all the way forward and then rest the weight on the rhino horn. Hands on the post, go ahead and step back off the platform, then you can slide the belt off your hips. And that is our belt squat machine.